have a look at another item that we've included within this bundle. Um, Again, just going back to probably a previous video that you may have looked at where we had where we were able to duplicate lines on an order, on a sales order. So that's where a client virtually wanted to repeat of the same item on each line. What we had to do, if I was doing it manually, I'd have to enter those lines individually. But what I was able to demonstrate to you earlier was that you could just highlight a line and then duplicate how many lines that you wanted to duplicate on that particular order. So what we've done is we've brought that also into the purchase order side. So let's just give you an example of that. So I'm just going to take this order here for Carter's, and if I just edit the order, if I just click OK onto that, and if we look here, I've actually got these cushions, and the client is actually say, well, actually, what I want to do, sorry, I should say my supplier, what I actually want to do is duplicate that line a couple of times, because I may sort of be planning to place this order with them, but with particular dates when I require those goods. So all we need to do is just highlight the line in question. Go to the action button, and down here I've got replicate line. So again, very similar to the one that I was showing you on sales order processing. So if I just choose replicate lines, so it now says the number of duplicated lines required. So how many copies of that line do I wish to add onto this purchase order? So what I'm actually going to say, I'm just going to go to 2, because I want 150 of these, but I want 50 maybe delivered on one day, further 50 on another, and the final 50 at a future date. So what I can actually do now is just click OK, and it's just obviously just warning you what you're about to do. Again, the default is no, so I can cancel at this point. But if I say yes, then what it's now done is now duplicated those 3 lines. So obviously now what I can do is go in here and then change either the quantity or the required date. Okay, again, very useful tool. That was just showing you obviously on an existing order that we've got with our supplier. So let me just create a new purchase order for Carter's, and I'll just show you this in action as I'm sort of working through raising a purchase order. So again, what you're doing is just populating. I'm going to use again the car mats, and I'm going to order car mats. I'm going to order 100 of these. So let's just update the record. Obviously, I need to define the warehouses if I've got warehouses in play. So let's just update the record. Okay, so if I just press escape on that, I've now added 100 car mats. But actually, what I want to do here is, whilst I'm raising this purchase order, I actually want 400 of these, but I want 400 split over different required dates that I've got. So again, what I can do here, and remember, I'm creating a new order here. So all I need to do is just highlight the line, go to my action, go to replicate lines, and again, it says the number of lines of duplicate lines are required. So I'm just going to put in 3. I can now click OK. And lo and behold, I've now added a further 3 lines. So that's actually saved me going in and creating each line individually. So again, all I need to do here now is just change the quantity, change the required date. So just makes that a little bit easier and a little bit more controllable on entry.